So how was school?
Good.
What'd you do?
We did a parachute.
A parachute? What else?
Painting.
Painting? What else?
Coloring.
Was it fun? Did you make new friends? Were you good?
We didn't play with at all.
You didn't do what?
We didn't play with us at all.
Oh, really? You ready to go back to school? Yeah, did you miss Mommy? A lot? Did you miss Daddy?
Yeah.
A little bit? What about Sissy? You miss Sissy? Okay.
Where is this?
Sissy's at school. Okay, so do we like school?
I want a flower.
No. Okay, let's go.